Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 1991 UK 1 penny coin. We're diving into the fascinating world of British coinage to explore the 1991 UK 1 penny coin. While it might seem like just another coin in your pocket, this little piece of metal carries a rich history and, in some cases, surprising value. Let's uncover the story behind this coin and see why it might be more than just spare change. Now, coin might look like just a regular piece of change, but hidden in its tiny copper surface is a rich story from British coinage history. Whether you're a collector, curious enthusiast, or someone who just stumbled upon this coin, today's video will take you deep into the world behind this small but significant coin. Historical significance. Back in 1991, the UK was in the midst of economic change and political developments. It was the final year of Margaret Thatcher's legacy as Prime Minister, just before John Major stepped into the role. Amidst all that transition, the Royal Mint continued to strike coins that reflected the identity and pride of the United Kingdom. Among them was the humble 1 penny coin, a piece most people barely noticed, but which carries details worth exploring. The 1991 UK 1 penny coin was minted in large quantities and made of copper-plated steel. This composition actually marked a shift from earlier pennies, which had been made from bronze. The change to copper-plated steel began in 1992, so the 1991 issue was among the last to use bronze. That means your 1991 penny could be made of bronze, making it just a little more interesting to collectors. If you hold one in your hand and it's not magnetic, it's bronze. If it's magnetic, it's a later reissue or a test piece, which could be even more intriguing. Design of the coin. Now let's talk design. The obverse of the 1991 1 penny features the third crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Raphael Makloff. This iconic image of the Queen was used on UK coins from 1985 to 1997. Her Majesty is shown wearing the royal diadem, and the inscription around her reads Elizabeth II DG Reg FD followed by the year, in this case 1991. That inscription is Latin for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith, a title steeped in centuries of monarchy and British tradition. Flip the coin to the reverse, and you'll see the familiar badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of 3 ostrich feathers encircled by a coronet, with a ribbon bearing the motto Ich Diene, which means I serve in German. This symbol has long been associated with the heir apparent to the British throne, and its use on the penny is a subtle tribute to royal heritage. Below the design is the denomination, simply written as 1 penny. The edge of the coin is plain, as with most UK pennies. It's small, only 20.3 mm in diameter, and weighs about 3.56 grams if it's a bronze issue. That tiny weight holds more than just metal, it holds history. So how many of these coins were made in 1991? The Royal Mint struck over 601 million 1 penny coins that year. Yes, you heard that right, over 600 million. That makes the 1991 penny far from rare in general circulation. Error coins, but there's a catch. Many of these coins have disappeared from daily use due to damage, hoarding, or simply being lost to time. That's why collectors sometimes still seek high-quality examples in uncirculated condition. And now comes the question that many of you might be wondering, is the 1991 1 penny worth anything today? The answer depends on its condition. In circulated condition, its value is usually just face value, 1 penny. However, if you have one in mint state or brilliant uncirculated condition, it might fetch between £1 and £3 from a collector who needs that year for a complete set. Not a fortune, but certainly more than its original worth. Proof versions struck for collectors can be even more valuable, especially if housed in original Royal Mint packaging. There's also a tiny possibility of finding error coins, for instance, a 1991 penny that was misstruck or double die. These are extremely rare, but if you happen to come across one, it could be worth much more depending on the type and visibility of the error. That's why it's always a good idea to look closely at your old change. You never know what you might find. And now let's talk a bit about how you can sell or collect the 1991 1 penny coin. If you have one in great condition, the best place to start is with coin collecting websites, local numismatic dealers, or even online platforms like eBay or Etsy. Just make sure to take clear photos and be honest about its condition. Coins that are clean, damage-free, and still show their original luster always attract more attention. If you're looking to build a collection of UK pennies, the 1991 issue is an important year to include. Historical timeline. Not only was it near the end of the Bronze Era, but it also fits into the broader timeline of Queen Elizabeth II's reign. Collecting pennies across the decades is a great way to watch the evolution of British coin design and materials. Plus, it's a fun and affordable way to start a coin collection. For storage, always keep your coins in a dry environment, away from humidity and direct sunlight. Use coin flips or capsules to avoid scratches. Never clean old coins, even if they look dull. Cleaning can reduce their value significantly, especially for collectors. The 1991 one penny might not buy much today, but its real value lies in its connection to a moment in time. It represents a nation in transition, a monarch whose image graced millions of coins, and a design that speaks to centuries of tradition. Holding one is like holding a piece of everyday history in the palm of your hand. Conclusion: so next time you find a penny, especially one from 1991, take a moment to appreciate it. Look at its details, feel its weight, and think about where it might have traveled. From shop counters to collectors' albums, this little coin has seen more than you might imagine. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 1991 UK 1 penny coin. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about fascinating coins from the past and present, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another coin story. Until next time, happy collecting, and may your next penny be a treasure.